We're looking to increase the skills of our staff and essentially move their capabilities such that they feel confident in being proactive about reducing energy use in council. One of the things that we are conscious of here at Orange is that we're one of the biggest councils in the region. So what we learn, we certainly impart and look to capture our knowledge and pass it on wherever we can.
Well, the course was really practical and the trainer used a lot of real-life examples of businesses in town. Energy management and reduction in consumption is now something that we can't afford not to do.
Energy efficiency is very important for me personally, as I have an environmental science background and intrinsically want to use as little resources as I can. When you're on a farm, that's heightened by the lack of financial resources available, so it's a win-win. If we can use less energy through technology and behavioural changes, then that saves both the environment and the bottom line.
Well, the way the Office of Environment and Heritage has designed the course is pretty good, because we've got the council practitioners being educated, we've got the small businesses in Orange being educated, and we've got the community being educated. We talk a lot about this, and it's very easy to put energy efficiency policies out, but this is helping our practitioners, our local businesses and the community get a grip on what they have to do technically, which is the hard bit. It's getting that information across.